Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video. Today is July 27th, 2021 and I'm in a new setting. As you can see, this is my new workshop, and the reason I'm in a different place is because we have moved. Unexpectedly, we ended up in some very unpleasant circumstances at our old house, and over the past few months we've gone through a very lengthy and unpleasant process of finding new digs, which we have. I'm still in the process of setting everything up. As you can see, it's quite a mess in here still. It's just because there's a lot of typewriters that still have to be put away. A lot of typewriters are still in storage. But it's slowly coming together, and with that I have renewed energy to start making videos regarding my collection, my enthusiasm for typewriters. I look forward to start turning screws on these machines again. In fact, I've already started. This is a customer's Hermes 3000 typewriter that just had a brand new platen installed, which was ordered through JJ Short's Associates in Macedon, New York. I highly recommend that company if you're looking for any rubber for your typewriters. I will be making videos on how to do repairs on these machines, on accessories, on the different types. If you have any suggestions for video, typewriter related videos, please let me know, because I'm itching to get started here. These are all machines I have to repair. I've had that one for years, but it requires work. I picked up a Royal KHM shortly before the move, as I did with these Hermes Ambassador. I've wanted one of these for many years, and finally I got one, so expect a video on that very soon. And an Olympia SM9. Here, I'm already getting started. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick update and a bit of a tour on my new workshop. I got, as you can see, some very fine hard wiring lights installed. I got my tools here, ribbon. These are those Roy type cartridges. Well, that's a timer, that has nothing to do with it, but I got that. Dymo tape. Anyways, I got all my bits and tools and stuff that I need to repair my typewriters, oils, lubrication, polishes. It's looking good, and it feels much better than the old setup did back in the old house. In any event, onwards and upwards. Please stick around, subscribe, like my video, keep in touch.